forget where you're coming from. Kingston go set the trend. Yo, I want them. Mama.
Hey guys, before I start today's house tour video, I just wanted to give you guys some good news. So guys, a few weeks ago, I featured an Airbnb, a 2-bedroom, 2.5 bathroom Airbnb in Montego Bay. Beautiful Airbnb. Outlaw and I stayed there for 2 days. We didn't want to leave. Guys, they are having a sale, okay? So the Airbnb is now half price, $59 per night. $59 per night for all of that house, guys. I'm going to say that again. $59 per night for that beautiful Airbnb that we featured on our channel that Outlaw and I stayed in. Guys, if you are interested in booking that Airbnb, please be quick. Get in contact with me, datmisehtv. All of the details are on the screen throughout the video. Get in contact with me and book your stay at the Airbnb. $59 per night, guys. Excellent value for money. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel, datmisehtv. Today we are back with another house hunting video, and we are in Kingston today. We will be looking at a brand new development called the Azaleas. The Azaleas is a modern townhouse in the heart of the Golden Triangle. The development features 31 units, of which 23 are townhouses. The others are apartments. These townhouses offer 2 floors of 2,178 to 2,304 square feet. They are outfitted with modern features and fittings. Each unit has covered parking, entry porch, a patio of the dining area, landscaped grounds and courtyard. The particular unit that we are going to feature today has 3 bedrooms, 4.5 bathrooms, sectioned into a utility room with ensuite, powder room, TV room, living area, kitchen and dining to the ground floor. The upper floor features a master bedroom with a walk-in closet and ensuite, and there are 2 further bedrooms with ensuite bath, closet and linen storage. The location of this development is within close proximity to both social and commercial amenities. It's only 5 minutes away from Ligon's shopping and restaurant outlets and 3 minutes from New Kingston's business district. The townhouses are currently priced at $550,000. The apartments have all been sold out. As usual, guys, we like to show you a little bit of the surrounding area before we do our house tour. As we come into the house, to the right is what is described as the TV room. So here we can see the TV room. Directly to the left is the kitchen area, which we'll see in a few moments. And what I like about this area is that it has a dividing wall between the kitchen and the TV room. In the TV room, there is a storage cupboard. And guys, this TV room can also be turned into a fourth bedroom. The TV room can be turned into a fourth bedroom. Now, right next to the TV room, there is a bathroom. All of the plumbing and all of the wiring has already been done if you'd like to convert the TV room into a fourth bedroom with this bathroom. So this would be the ensuite bathroom for the fourth bedroom, which is now the TV room. So there are options. Now I'm in the TV room, and opposite the TV room, that wall that you see there is the kitchen. So the kitchen lies behind that room, okay? Behind that wall. On the floor there, you can see this is where all of the work and the electrics and the plumbing is done for the bathroom if you want to put a shower in that bathroom. So behind this wall is the kitchen, but just off the kitchen we have the washroom area. And to the left of the washroom area is a further room. So next to the wash area, there's this extra little space. So this can be turned into anything. It could be a very small bedroom, it could be an office space. And what's great is that right next to this room is another bathroom, as you can see here. So on the ground floor, there are two bathrooms. You have this extra room also. And then we lead directly onto the kitchen. So guys, where you see this fridge, right behind the fridge is that wall that we saw earlier, which kind of divides the space between kitchen area and TV room area. So it is quite a modern kitchen. It kind of has this feature here where this is the dish dryer. So you don't have to have your plates and dishes drying on the surface or on the countertop. This drawer is designed to put all your dishes in. And all of the drawers and cupboards are soft closing too. So directly from the kitchen countertop actually, you can see the dining area. And this is a great space because it opens up into a dining stroke living area. So I guess this is where the kind of open plan features in this property. So you have your dining and living area. Remember guys, we have the TV room at the back as a separate room also. What I like about this property in particular is the modern fixtures and fittings, and they've dressed this property in a really contemporary style. And then the living area. And directly from the living area you can see the patio and the yard space. Okay, onto the patio. And from here you can see inside, and you can kind of see the layout of inside a lot better. Okay, now guys, onto the yard space. Yes, it is a small space. There is not much outside space, but guys, do remember this is Kingston, this is the city, and you know that space in the city comes at a premium. It's hard to get a lot of space in the city. So this is the space that is on offer. I guess it's great for people who, you know, don't want to maintain a big garden, but this is what you get. This is the space that you get. And then we have these kind of concertina doors on the patio. You know that Mr. Outlaw has to get a feature on the house videos, right? Yeah. So here's his 5 seconds of fame. No guesses for what he's saying there, right? Manners and prayers. And a little bit more of the outside space. Okay, onto the upstairs area where there are 3 bedrooms, 3 bathrooms. Just have a look at those high ceilings, guys, on the stairwell. So we're into the master bedroom. What I like immediately when I came into this property is the detailing on the ceiling, so the trays around the ceiling. This room comes with a good size walk-in closet and a modern contemporary ensuite bathroom. Another thing that I really love about this property are the doors. Really big doors, so kind of floor to ceiling doors, which is also a really nice feature too. Now here I'm standing just at the end of the master bedroom, or at the entrance of the master bedroom should I say, and here you can see that there is a linen cupboard in the hallway, and you can see there are bedrooms to the right and to the left of the hallway. So directly in front is an extra storage space, or what is described as the linen closet. And the further 2 bedrooms left and right. Okay, into bedroom number 2. Again, the detailing in the ceiling, which is really nice. Modern contemporary feel. This room also features a built-in closet and an ensuite bathroom also. Again, a very modern, contemporary bathroom. Okay, and into bedroom number 3. Again, the detailing on the ceiling, like with the other 2 rooms. Modern feel. Built-in closet. And also ensuite bathroom to this bedroom also. So this is the outside of the buildings. And as you can see, some work is still taking place. These are the apartments. Guys, I'm going to leave the details of how you can book a viewing, or if you want further information, the number that you can call. We hope you have enjoyed this video, and until next time, datmisehtv.
This one has got to be now, 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 now. Hey, Mr. Cruz. If it's money, we don't talk about it, cause we don't brag about it. House on the hill, that's how we go about it.